Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to verify your identity. Let's get started. First, install the Entrust IDVaaS app on your mobile device. You can find the download link in the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once the app is installed, open it and scan the QR code in the email you received. Select Allow when prompted so that the app can access your camera. After scanning the code, scroll to the bottom of the identity verification screen and select Continue. Before proceeding, read the terms and conditions and select Accept. Then, read the Consent for Collection and Use of Biometric Data terms. You will need to scroll to the bottom of the screen and select I agree to enable the Continue button. Next, take a picture of your ID document to capture your details. Make sure the room is well lit. Ensure your photo and personal details are clearly visible, and position the entire document within the frame. It is also important to avoid glare. You will receive a notification that an image of your document has been taken. On the pop-up screen, select OK. After that, if you are using an ID that has an electronic chip, the app will access the chip in your ID to check the electronic information stored there. Remove any cases from your ID. If you are using a passport, close it. Then, place the top of your mobile device halfway down the ID, ensuring both are touching. You will receive a notification that the chip was accessed. On the pop-up screen, select OK. Time to take your photo. Find a well-lit area. Face the camera directly and maintain a neutral expression. Don't smile or frown. Keep your head straight and remove any items covering your face or eyes, unless for religious or medical reasons. Avoid glare and shadows. You can now review your photo. If you're happy with it, select Use this photo. If not, retake your photo until it meets the requirements. Finally, review your information and select Submit. The final screen will tell you that you can close the app. Usually, you will receive an email with your results in 5 minutes. But if more review is needed, it may take 3 to 5 business days to get your results. Thank you for verifying your identity, and good luck on your test.